How to install a Charisma SEG graphic. Congratulations! You just received your Charisma SEG graphic. Now, let's get it installed. If you have white gloves, use them. Otherwise, make sure your hands are clean to help protect the graphic from damage or staining. Let's pick a frame corner. Fold the graphic in so the silicone is on the inside of the graphic. About 6 to 10 inches of silicone should be inserted into the frame channels. Let's take a look at that install one more time. Please note, the silicone strip should not be visible once the graphic is installed. Now, repeat for the opposite corner. Then repeat for the next corner, and the final corner. After all corners are pressed in, press the silicone at the midpoints on all 4 sides. Then press the silicone into the frame evenly between corners and midpoints. This will prevent the graphic from bunching up or stretching too much and will ensure a smooth and tight fit. To correctly insert, it must look as if you are playing a piano. Don't slide your hands when inserting the silicone. Here's a tip: use the Charisma SEG tool or a clean credit card to push in the silicone further for a smooth look. If your graphic is on a larger scale, have no fear. It can be done. You'll need 2 people to properly install a graphic of this size in the upright position. The steps are exactly the same as before. Person 1 starts at one corner, while person 2 starts on the opposite corner. When working on a graphic of this size, use the Charisma SEG tool or a clean credit card to tuck in the graphic at the top corner so that it stays in place. As before, repeat for the opposite corners, then the midpoints on all 4 sides, and finally, press evenly between corners and midpoints. If installing a large graphic in this position is not possible, you can install with the frame lying down. Only one person is required to install in this position. As before, you start at one corner, then the opposite corner, then the next corner, and the final corner. You know the drill. Midpoints on all 4 sides, and then evenly between corners and midpoints. And there you have it. Now you're ready to show off your new Charisma SEG frame. Thanks for watching.